Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SATs type of a question. Let's dive into it. In the topic of percents, by the way, let's dive into it. There are three numbers in a set. One of the numbers, y, is 25% less than the sum of the other two numbers. If the sum of the three numbers is 105, what is the value of y? Now, these questions can be complicated, so mark and see what information you got given. So we got three numbers. One of them is y, right? And then we got 25%. And these three numbers give us 105. Let's write the information down. That's given 105 and y. The two numbers are unknown, so we call them x plus y. Now for this, we always find x and y first. How to do that? Now, this is with this one, 25%. One whole, 100% is 1. That means minus 0.25, because 25% is 0.25, equals to, you are allowed to use your calculator, by the way, 0.75. Now, that's how we find these out. You gotta open up a parentheses, x plus y, distribute that, 0.75, x plus 0.75, y plus x plus y equals to 105, we will say. Now you gotta simplify this by adding all these numbers together. We will have 1.75x plus 1.75y equals to 105. Now we're gonna open up a parentheses again. 1.75, open up parentheses, x plus y equals to 105. It's the same, basically. You can see that when you distribute that. Now we're gonna divide both sides by 1.75 to cancel 1.75 out to have x plus y. And then 105 divided by 1.75 is, let me see, 60 actually, which means x plus y equals to 60. Now, how to find y? You know, y plus x plus y gives us 105, remember, and x plus y gives us 60. They cancel each other out, which means we have to take away 60 from 105, which is 45 for y. The choice A is the correct answer. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.